Hi guys, so I am taking over some 100 million points on Subway Surfer 2015 Rio. See here, this guys. So I tried more hours and more days over. So I increased and played, and 5 days over. After that, today is 22, I think so. So I'm playing this oldest version of Subway Surfer 2015 Rio. So I came this much coin to take 100 million. I'll take some just 100 million also, I think so. So guys, so some few 2 minutes you wait, I get crash it, so that we see how much I getting a million. But that's now I crash it, but video taking means you take some 1.5 minutes video, like that I'm thinking. Oh guys, so I got more crashes also because for this sake something happened. I not played very nice. Suddenly something I went on that I crashed more keys and wasted. So guys, so I want to do means I need to crash it to get a score. So guys, I got crash, so I'll show you how much I get in 100 million or just 100 million, not 1 million points. More I'll get, but not that much more. Little mystery box will get in 2015 gold. So one more box I'll take. Fastly I can take it. So guys, so I got sudden 100 million points. So guys, here I told you I get sudden 100 million. So see this guys, like this digit I am not get like this, but this is the first time I taking this 100 in just. So see this guy. So wait guys, you can see it properly. So like this. So guys, so we see it. So guys, so thank you for watching this video. Thank you.